Hey, welcome back. This is the second part on the periodic table, and I highly suggest you to check that one out as it will help you understand this video. Welcome to part 2 of understanding the periodic table. Let's get on with it. Last video, I explained how to read individual squares on the periodic table. Any feedback is appreciated. Now, I will explain how to read the entire table. As you know, this is the periodic table of elements. First of all, the columns are called groups, and there are 8 groups. This excludes the big block of elements at the center of the table, called transition metals. I'll explain why this is in a future video. All of these groups have specific names also. From the left are alkaline metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, the boron family, the carbon family, the pnictogens or nitrogen family, the chalcogens or oxygen family, the halogens, and the noble gases. What differentiates these groups from each other is that each group going from the left will have one extra electron in their outermost shell. So, starting from the left, the alkali metals have 1. The alkali earth metals have 2. And skipping the transition metals, again, more detail in another video. The boron family is 3, the carbon family is 4, and so on. In the end, the noble gases have 8 electrons in their outermost shell, completing the shell. Now, the rows are called periods. These are more straightforward. They represent the number of shells an atom will have. Moving down the table, the number of shells increase, like layers of an onion. The period number is equal to the number of shells. However, be sure to remember the difference between periods and groups. Okay, now you may notice these 2 rows of elements separated from the rest of the table. These are the lanthanides and actinides, or the F block. And the reason they are separately shown is simply to make the table look better. There are tables where these elements are merged into the table, like this one. The reason why this isn't the usual case is because the entirety of this block was discovered much more recently than the others and are usually extremely rare or non-existent in nature. Also, you'd have to move around a lot with this table. You should also note that these little squares that tell you their periods and their position should line up with their groups. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if so, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more. The next video will be on the octet rule. That's it, and I'll see you in another video.